All right, we got a 2025 Ford Mustang GT with the 5.0 in the shop today, and we're going to be installing a lowering kit. So fun day ahead of us today, and this Mustang will look pretty sweet when we're done. All right, so I got the front factory struts off. We're gonna have to press the old springs out and press the new springs in. So we'll get that done, and but for now I'm gonna move on to the rear. Alright, so old spring is off. This is it right here. And the new spring is right here. And that's what we're going to be putting back on the car. And it's going to be a nice little difference. Alright, so we got the lowering spring installed in the left rear here, along with this wheel spacer. So now all I have to do is repeat the same thing on the other side, and then the rear is done, and we will move on to the front. And you raise it up a little bit. There we go. Going in with the new one. The lowered one. Place it in here. Lower it back down. Alright, start cranking on this thing and get her bolted back up. Alright, so we got all the suspension done, and the wheel spacers are on the car now. So we can put the tires on now. We are done installing the lowering kit on this Mustang GT, and I think it came out really nice. Nice height, nice stance. The wheel spacers definitely make it look more aggressive. But yeah, I'm super happy with the way this install came out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you made it this far in the video, hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss out on future content like this. And also, you may notice there's a front lip spoiler on here that wasn't on there when we first started filming. That's because I did install it. I wanted to film it. I ran out of space on my camera to be able to film that for you guys, so I do apologize. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.